Welcome to this video. We will talk about strings in Ring programming language. A string is amount of letters and numbers concatenated together. To define string, we set the variable name and then equal symbol, then the string value. So CSTR equals ring. To print the value, use the question mark symbol, then variable name. It will print variable value, then new line. To concate strings in Ring, use the plus equals operator, then the another string you want to concate. As in this example. To access a letter or part of string, we use the brackets. Note the index in Ring starts from 1. Now we will continue our video. We will learn the most popular strings functions. 1. Lower. 2. Upper. 3. isLower. 4. isUpper. Upper function used to convert strings to uppercase. Lower function used to convert strings to lower case. isUpper used to check this part of string if it was in uppercase or not. isLower used to check this part of string if it was in lower case or not. Wait the output. First we have the uppercase of our string. Then we have the lower case of it. Then we have the result of isUpper and isLower. Note, if output equal 1, that means it is true. And if output equals 0, that means it is false. Using substring function. Here is the most common uses of substring function. 1. Replacement of string. We will replace the space to dash symbol. 2. Find substring in string. We will search about ring in our string. 3. Get substring from position to the end of the string. Wait the output. At first we replaced the space to dash. Then searched about ring keyword in our string. The output equals 1, so it is true. If it was 0, that's mean it is false. Finally we get substring without ring keyword. We will talk about left, right, and len functions. 1. Left used to get number of letters starting from left side of string. 2. Right used to get number of letters starting from right side of string. 3. Len used to get the number of length of string. We will learn about startsWith and endsWith functions. StartsWith is a ring function used to check if the string started with a specific substring. To use it, first we will give the source string as first parameter, and then we add the string we want to check. Note, if output equals 1, that means it is true. And if it was 0, that means it is false. endsWith is a ring function used to check if the string ended with a specific substring. Note, if output equals 1, that means it is true. And if it was 0, that means it is false. I hope it was easy for you. We will learn how to convert number to string, so that we can use the useful functions for strings such as len, left, right, substr, and startsWith functions. First we have enNum variable. We have two methods to convert number to string. Method 1. By using quotation marks plus the number that we want to convert. Method 2. By using string function that return a copy of our number as string. We use type function to check the type of the data. Thanks for watching. Mohanad Alayash.